Now, Jamaica's struggles continued on Thursday at the Pan American Elite Track Cycling Championships in Santiago, Chile. This as the nation's cyclists again faced stiff competition on the second day of action at the regional event, which serves as an Olympic qualifier for LA 2028. Jamaica's lone female representative, Delia Palmer, advanced to the round of 16 in the women's sprint. Palmer clocked 11.72 seconds in the opening round to place 27th overall, setting up a head-to-head matchup with Trinidad and Tobago's Makera Wallace. However, Wallace took the win in 11.46 seconds, ending Palmer's run in the event. In the men's keirin, Daniel Palmer placed 5th in Heat 1 with a time of 12.08 seconds. Teammate Damar Golding finished 6th in his heat, stopping the clock at 10.249 seconds. Both riders advanced to the repechage rounds but were unable to make progress as Palmer finished 4th in repechage 1 in 11.46 seconds and Golding 4th in repechage 4 in 14.61.